Welcome back to our Clicks Not Code series. During these videos, we attempt to demystify Marketing Cloud personalization and show quick wins that you can implement for your business. We will be releasing these regularly, so make sure to check back in. Today, we are going to be talking about measurement. While you can do measurement in external systems, there are a few benefits for having a portion of this live within personalization. Firstly, there is a general speed to market and the benefit of ad hoc analysis. By using the platform features, you'll be able to leave the fulfillment process to other teams, but still be able to develop your own KPI to measure the impact of your campaigns. Speaking of KPIs and measurement, goal segments are Salesforce's way to accomplish this. You'll be able to set up a segment and then register this as a goal, and then utilize that goal through various reports. For example, this report shown here is the goal completions report, allowing you to see over time the number of goal completions that happened, as well as the completion rate for the campaign audiences. There are many additional reports within the tool that work out of the box once you've set up these foundational metrics. The other side of this KPI is utilizing these goal segments for AI learning. These are going to be the metrics that you want to optimize your campaigns for. Einstein out of the box can be configured to optimize for things such as clicks or conversions. But as a marketer, we often want to provide a different metric or a different KPI that we want to optimize for, and we'd accomplish that through this goal segment. And without further ado, let's jump into the tool to show you how to set these up for yourself. To create a goal segment, you're going to have to open up personalization and navigate from the left menu to user segments, and then again to user segments. From here, you're going to create a new segment. From the segment UI, you're going to create the conditions that you want to be true to signify that someone has completed a goal. So for example, I'm going to create a goal segment that is around email signups. I'm going to give it a relevant name, email signup. I'm going to create a new rule. I'm going to specify that the action I'm looking for is email signup. I'm looking for a count of it. I want the user to have done my action, a specific action being sign up. And I want them to have done it at least one time today. Once I've created my goal segment, I can go ahead and save this and move on to the next step of registering this segment as a goal segment. What we're going to do is navigate down to settings and then to filters and goals. Within this screen, this is how we register a specific segment as either a filter or a goal. In our case, we want to take the email sign up and register it here as a goal. Within this UI, we can see our other goals that exist, as well as remove ones that we no longer want. A useful hint is that you're going to need to have a goal set up before you start collecting measurements against that. Otherwise, those measurements will not impact your reports. In addition, if you don't see your segment here, a useful tip is just to restart your web browser or refresh the web page, and then that goal should appear. Once our goals are set up and collecting useful metrics, we can decide on how to utilize it. One of the elements I previously mentioned was utilizing the goal segment as an Einstein AI learning metric. To do so, we can go to Einstein Decisions, go to Feature Engineering, specify for our banded target that we would prefer to use goal completion, and then we can then search for our goal segment. An alternative way to use our goal segments is within our personalization reports. To do so, we can go up to our reports, choose a necessary report. For example, previously talked about was the goal completions report, where we're going to be able to see over time the frequency of goal completions, as well as specific goals over time and their respective goal completion rates. Hopefully this session has shown you how to set up measurement directly through the UI using clicks, not code. Check back as we release more of these to demonstrate other quick wins you can implement for your business.